So for me was, first of all, thank you very much for being part of the organization. All my life I did teach in university, so it's really good to have this type of link or collaboration, even just to understand what this new generation of engineers is doing is great for me. Just that is a pleasure, and I enjoy it a lot to be involved with you guys on that, and to have these possibilities to understand what are this new generation thinking about and helping them, because I think the only thing, all the potential is with them. They have all the potential. We are just here to drive you better. It's just that, drive you better, because we did already pass. We know all the hurdles on the path. So if you can learn from our experience and you will not commit the same mistakes, you will do other mistakes and you will learn and you will pass that information to the next generation. I think we can build a better place to live. And essential, what I like to do is exactly that. I like to help people to contribute, and if everyone contributes, if everyone has this mindset of helping others, I think our planet will be a better place, a better place to live. So it's just that's important, and the potential that this new generation has is huge. The capacity, the technology, the way that thinks about the problems is not like the old generations. You guys thinking already on solutions very early. So you think about, how can I solve that problem? I understand that is a problem. So that mindset is fundamental. And I think as people like myself and you, of course, our role in life, we arrive to a part in our life that if we could help just a little bit someone else to have a better future, to contribute for better life for others, I think that is part of our mission here.